How's it going, you lot? Despite summer being on its way, the weather around here is absolutely rubbish at the moment, so I fancy turning up the heat a bit with one of my favourite types of food, Mexican. We don't like wasting food here at South Birmingham Curry Club, and I've got some chicken left over from a Sunday roast I had the other day. So I'm going to show you how to rustle up some amazing chicken tacos with homemade tortillas, homemade chipotle sauce and some fresh salsa. Now you could do this with shop bought tortillas and shop bought chipotle sauce, but that's not how we roll down here at SBCC, so we're going to make it all from scratch. This is going to be epic, so strap down your sombreros and let's get cooking. Well, it stopped raining long enough for me to just have a little sit outside and give these a go. Our tacos. chicken's nice and smoky. Some of that salsa. Sweet corn. I'm going to go on with the Chipotle next. And a bit of cheese. How good does that look? Oh, I'm looking forward to this. That chicken's nice and smoky. I can't stress what a difference it makes making these tortillas yourself. So much better than anything shop bought. It's definitely worth the effort. Anyway, give it a go. If you like the video, click like, subscribe to our channel, and let us know how you got on if you do some cooking. I'll catch you soon. Ta-ra a bit.